Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to view your car reservation in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the car button. And then click on the lookup reservations button. So in order to view your car reservations, you need to give your confirmation number, the driver's first name and the driver's last name. And then you have to set the pickup date. And then click on the retrieve reservation button to see it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.